So there are three modes of nature called Sattva Guna, Rajo Guna, Tamo Guna. The example of Tamo Guna is Kumbhakarna. Tamo Guna means laziness. Kumbhakarna sleeps for 6 months, eats for 6 months, and does not do any work. And he is always creating trouble for others. So this is the nature of the people who are Tamo Guna. Laziness, hurting others. When I say laziness, it can be taking drugs, alcohol. So whatever makes your mind is called Tamo Guna. Then we have Vibhishana. Vibhishana represents Sattva Guna, the purity. So Vibhishana, even though he is a asura, demon, he will surrender to Rama, God. Vibhishana's mind is peaceful. So he represents Sattva Guna. What about Ravana? Ravana is
Rajoguna.
Rajoguna. Rajoguna is hyperactive, hurting others, fighting with others. Okay, that's Rajoguna. Sattoguna is Vibhishana, Rajoguna is Ravana, Tamoguna is Kumbhakarna. Sattoguna, Rajoguna, Tamoguna, if you are stuck there, you are stuck in life. A Gnani has come out of three gunas. He is Gunatita. He is not Sattva, not Rajas, not Tamas. He has gone beyond gunas. Traigunya Vishayajanya Vedaha Nistraigunyo Bhavarjuna. All Vedas are also still operating in the domain of guna. Only Atmadnana will take you beyond guna, make you free. So these gunas all bind you. The Sattva Guna represents gold. Is like gold. Rajoguna is like silver. Tamoguna is like iron. So whether you are bonded with the Sattva Guna, Rajoguna, or Tamoguna, still there is a bondage. If you are bonded to laziness, there is a problem. If you are bonded to hyperactivity, there is a problem. If you are bonded to Sattva Guna, what will happen? So you enjoy bhajans, prayers, but you don't still go to Atmadana. You have to go rise above the Sattva Guna. Sattva Guna takes you to more knowledge. There are people who want, oh, I want to read spiritual material. I want to read spiritual books. So they find happiness there. But what they don't understand is that also part Sattva Guna. You have to go Atma Vichara and get out of that. Gnani, you have to get Dana. Dana or Mukti. So these three gunas bind human being and cause trouble for him. A man was going through the forest. He was caught by thieves. The first thief comes and beats him. He doesn't even ask. And robs him. The second thief comes and ties him to the tree. And there is a third thief who feels pity about him, and he tries to free him and tell, get away, run away from this place. You go in that direction, you'll go to the city. The first thief is the Tamoguna, which causes hurt, robs you. Then second thief is ties you, Rajoguna. Third thief is Sattoguna, which helps you to escape. All the three are thieves. But Sattoguna thief is like a better thief, good thief. Sattoguna thief will help you to go in the direction of Atmadana. So this is about three gunas. Any questions?
Prabhuji, can you repeat Rajoguna, Tamoguna?
I mean, qualities of Rajoguna, Tamoguna?
What?
What do you want to repeat?
About the three gunas, can you repeat again?
There are three gunas: Tamoguna, Rajoguna, Sattoguna. Tamoguna means dullness, laziness. The people who drink alcohol, okay, they're lazy. They're called Tamoguna. People who are very, very active. Tamoguna is example is Kumbhakarna. He eats 6 months and sleeps for 6 months. So many of the modern day Kumbhakarnas eat, watch TV, and sleep. Right? So then Rajoguna means hyperactive. Whom should I be? I want to conquer somebody. I want to fight with somebody. That is Rajoguna, Ravana. Sattva-guna is everybody should be peaceful. Okay, God will help us. That's Sattva-guna. So,
Thank you, Prabhu, for explaining.
what we have, our spiritual sadhana is from Tamoguna we have to come to Rajoguna. From Rajoguna we have to come to Sattva-guna. Nobody can get mukti from Tamoguna. Nobody can get mukti from Rajoguna. You have to come to Sattva-guna to get mukti. That's why Sattva-guna is a good thief. How do you come from Tamoguna to Rajoguna? Tamoguna to Rajoguna, you come by taking up some activity. Any activity, business, sports, or anything. Rajoguna to Sattva-guna, how do you go? Through Karma Yoga, Bhakti Yoga. Rajoguna to Gunatita, how do you become? Through Atma Vichara, Atma Dhnana. Are we clear? Any questions?
Yes, Guruji.
Gurudeva,
No. Yes.
yeah. When all these gunas are emerging from the Atman,
Emerging from the Prakriti, nature.
nature, that is Shakti. She is the dance of the Shiva.
Correct.
Yeah. So when she is herself the dance of the Shiva, it is coming from Shiva only.
Correct. It's Shiva
Even
only.
the, yeah, Shiva only. Now, when this one tattva which gets divided into these three gunas, depending on what discretion are they divided into three, how they are divided?
How means?
How means, for example, when you say that somebody who is in Tamoguna, he is very lazy and all, yeah, so is it a gradual degradation of the Sattva guna into Rajo and Tamo?
No.
No.
See,
Huh.
Jiva, when it starts, it is in ignorance. Jiva is like a seed. A seed has the tree in the potential form. Sattva-guna, Rajoguna, Tamoguna, each Jiva starts with a composition of Sattva-guna, Rajoguna, Tamoguna. That composition is what you start. And as you grow up, you should learn how to come out of Tamoguna into Rajoguna and Rajoguna into Sattva-guna and beyond that. That is the spiritual journey of life. So each of us started with some amount of balance of gunas. Why it is there? It is there as Prakriti, nature.
Okay.
Our entire spiritual journey is from Tamoguna to you have to come to Rajoguna, Rajoguna to Sattva-guna. So Rajoguna to Sattva-guna by doing activity, yadna, service. Tamoguna to Rajoguna doing business, playing football, going to war. They are all Tamoguna to Rajoguna.
But it is said Satyayuga to Kaliyuga. Satyayuga mostly Sattva-guna. It degraded from Sattva-guna to Tamoguna.
No. It is not the nature, it's a season. Sattva-guna, Rajoguna, Tamoguna is season in the Yuga. It's like rainy season, winter season, summer season. The balance in the nature will keep changing. It's not degradation.
Okay, it is just like composition. For example, H2O has been joined with two molecules of hydrogen and oxygen. It is the combination of these, but we have to divide these molecules and see the atom only, that is come down to the sattva.
Right. Come down to sattva. Sattva is not, you're not coming down, you're not going to see sattva. You have to develop these qualities of sattva. Purity, silence, peace, meditation, all those things you have to develop. But the purpose is not to stay in sattva, purpose is to go beyond sattva. Jnani is beyond sattva. Sakshi, Atma.
Yeah. Yes, Gurudeva.
Okay. Shall we close for this discussion?